Hi everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just showing you what we're doing today. We just completed the job actually, so it's 6 hours, we've got it all knocked over. We've got 12 units here, townhouse style complex. Most of them are joined, 3 stories high on the upper level. But yeah, we've come through and used a soft wash. Today we ran 2 teams, 2 soft wash systems, 2 petrol powered pressure washers, using our high flow, low pressure. And obviously premium cleaning agents to get the job done. So your job's come up absolutely spectacular. Client's super happy. If you've got any questions or you need a quote or any information, give us a call.
Thank you.